And this being the cutting to the rating outlook for Hong Kong by Moody's. Given that it's close links with China, we saw a similar move the previous day. What is your reaction to this?
So, I mean, clearly there's a lot of factors that go into, Moody's decisions, and I don't know, I can't speculate on all the decisions that they've taken into account. But I feel very confident about the outlook of Hong Kong in terms of like post-opening up, the level of activity, the number of people that have been coming to Hong Kong. We had the HKMA event that it was just like a month ago. I'm bringing 90 CEOs, global CEOs from the financial industry. Now we have over 1,000 people, and we have 150 people coming from the Middle East. We have over 100 speakers. So the vibrancy in Hong Kong is still here. Over time, we'll have different factors that will be affecting our markets, and some are good, some are not so good, and we just have to deal with all of those. The condition, the underlying conditions and financial condition of Hong Kong, I think, are super strong. And that was reaffirmed by Moody's, by the way.
Yeah. I do want to talk to you about the factors that are affecting the Hong Kong market, because the Hang Seng Index is set to close out the year as the worst performing market in the world, down about 15%. Hong Kong exchanges, your stock, I'm afraid, is down 25%. What is causing this weakness, and what is the outlook for next year?
Yeah, the weakness is caused by a lot of factors that come into play at the same time, and they go in cycles. There are times that are better. I mean, had we had this conversation like a month ago, maybe it would have been a little bit different. What happens is there's global factors, including interest rate, geopolitics, different things that come into play at different times, reallocation of investors' money to different markets, different segments. What we know, I mean, just looking at our own business, I mean, the diversification that we've been having, and the lesser reliance that we have on just like the cash market, it's something to be taken into account. So even though the cash market may be a little soft, we're hitting records on ETF. We're hitting records on our derivatives market, record on FX. FX is an interesting, area where we used to do about maybe 10,000, 20,000 contracts every day. Now we're doing in a good day over 100,000. I mean, so that has been just multiplied many, many times. Data and connectivity is also hitting records. So we look at these important areas, and it's record after record. So when we look at our financial results and the fact that on the first 9 months, we posted the second best, ever results that we've had. So HKEX is very strong, is doing very well, and we're making sure that we are a market that we're there in good and bad times.